Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can join random group on Snapchat. So if you're wondering how to do so in today's video, let's find out. So first thing you need to understand is to join a random group on Snapchat. Snapchat directly does not have a feature. So what is possible within Snapchat is creating a group or getting invited to a group or using the Snap Map to connect. So first of all, let's just go ahead and try creating a group. For that, you can go to the Chats tab and tap on it. From here, you can basically go ahead and tap on this new option at the top. From there, you can just go ahead and create a shortcut or a group. If not from there, look out for the three dot in the top right corner, tap on it. From there, select the option of new group. And once you do so, you can select up the members for the new group and tap on chat. And you can even name your group if you prefer before doing so. And there we go. This is one of the method. Creating a group here, you can just go ahead and manually add people or select from your friend list in this section. Another thing is you can get invited to a group. So if someone adds in a group as you as a friend, they can invite you in the group. You can just go ahead and look out for the group if it is created by someone, and from there you can basically go ahead and tap on invite via link. And if somebody also uses the same method and invites you by tapping on the invite and making a group link and sharing it within any other social media, you just need to accept that request, and that will also connect you with random groups on Snapchat. Apart from that, you can use the Snap Map, which is available at your profile. Tap on your profile, or you can go ahead and tap on this map option directly right beside the chat option. And when you head over here, you will be going ahead and finding maps, location with different people. You can just go and tap on one of the location, and there you may be some group that should allow you to add them. And after they accept, you can start a group or ask to join others. So, Snapchat does not allow us random group joining. Snapchat is built around private communication, not public forums. So, open groups would invite spam, bot abuse. So, it is designed to keep interaction between none or mutually added users only. You can follow up this method. You can go to any other social medias where people have created groups, and you can just go and accept the invitation, and that is the only legit way possible if you'd like to join a random group on Snapchat. So that's it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.